What's their setup?
It's a MakSpeed turbo kit with a comp 6062 turbo, running 1200cc injectors, 300C fuel pump. Pretty much that's it.
How much boost?
12 pounds.
12 pounds?
Yeah.
Think about going any higher than 12 pounds?
Yes, once I get the built motor, I'm planning to go high boost.
And then you're gonna go EA5 too, right?
Of course, yeah.
So, and tonight you're on 91 octane?
Yes, sir.
Any track time or dyno numbers?
Track time, no. Dyno numbers, yeah. I had, I think I was at 10 PSI at 370 on high boost.
And what dyno was that?
It was a DynoJet.
DynoJet?
Yeah.
Who's your tuner?
Cody Pine.
Cody Pine. That's SpecTuned, right?
SpecTuned. Yeah.
SpecTuned. What's next for this setup?
Built motor, pretty much. Built motor, max out the turbo, and then maybe upgrade the turbo.
Are you gonna wait till the motor blows, or are you just gonna build it?
No, I have a second motor being built.
Oh, you do? All
yeah.
right, all right.
So for the way it is right now, it's perfect. But once the built motor, then I plan to up the boost.
What's your goal for track times, quarter mile time?
I'll be just happy with low 12s.
Yeah?
Yeah. If anything is better than low 12s, then
I'm pretty sure you could.
yeah.
Yeah, with proper tire setup. Actually, talking about your tires, these are 15s, right?
Yes, sir. 15x8s with 40 offset. They're Toyota proxies, 888R. They're 235/50.
How do you like them? Do they grip?
Yeah, add a full boost in second gear.